everybody, how y'all doing? Today we're opening up two more little packages, day 11 and 12. So here's the little envelopes, and let me find, okay, here's 11 right on top, and 12, let's see, 14, 13, 21, 12. So we have our little gifts, 11 and 12. So let's open up our little envelopes first, like we always do, and see what's inside. I picked this up for $1. Perhaps nice to practice on with new supplies. That would be this one. I have a feeling I know what it is. Okay. And let's see. Picked it up for $1, huh? And oil color art is bad. Okay, well, we got those oil colors in my last Smart Art box, so maybe we might make another little oil painting. I don't know. That would be interesting. She wants to push my boundaries, I think. I'm pretty sure you could probably use other kind of paints on that paper too, but you know, it's oil color paper. So this is so teeny weeny. Oh my goodness. She completely wrapped it in tape. I think I know what it is though. Bet you I know for a fact this is lead for the pencil she gave me. And it is. More colored lead, more the purple color lead. And I needed more because it was out. So that's awesome. Thank you, honey. So, yeah. So, do we want to... Oh, I forgot to open the envelope. Let me open the envelope. What kind of clue did she give us? You're going to need these in the... Yes, definitely. Especially since we have a series that we're going to be doing together. We're going to be sketching and painting and making things. So yes, that's definitely going to come in handy. So let's make some more art. my artist representation of Darkest Raven design. And I think it came out pretty darn good. May not look just like her, but I think it's close. But, yeah, I like this paper. It works really nicely. So, there it is, folks. Here's Chantal. I really love all this stuff. I'm having a blast with this advent calendar she sent me, and yeah, go and show her some love, because she's an awesome artist too, and I just love her to death. She is like a sister, a daughter. I mean, she's just awesome, and I just love her to bits. So until my next video, I love y'all bunches. Bye.